This video is about the correct adjustment of the stripper rollers. Let's start by identifying incorrect settings. If the stripper rollers are set too high, potatoes will slide right underneath the rollers and fall behind the machine, resulting in a loss of potatoes. However, if the rollers are set too low, the cleaning effect suffers because the foreign material does not have enough space to be conveyed under the stripper rollers. How do you adjust the height of the stripper rollers? Go to the Separator Devices section on the control terminal. In the upper right corner, you will see a settings area for the stripper roller height. The displayed value is the currently set value. Go ahead and select the settings area. The various adjustment buttons will become visible on the right side of the control terminal. Use the upper plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the height of the stripper rollers. The specialized stripper roller components will automatically adjust themselves to the specifically designated set value. With the two buttons located at the bottom, the height of these stripper rollers can also be adjusted manually. To adjust the stripper rollers on the other separating devices, you can select the corresponding separating device at the top edge of the control terminal and proceed in the same way. And what is the correct height setting? The specialized stripper rollers should be carefully adjusted and set at a height that is high enough so that no good sound potatoes slip through underneath them, but with enough space for unwanted foreign material and debris to be cleaned off. To summarize, stripper rollers set too high will lead to significant potato losses, while rollers set too low can negatively impact the cleaning effect. Finding the optimal setting is absolutely crucial for an effective harvesting process.